Good morning, folks. Corey Jernigan here, Internet Manager, Country Chevrolet, Benton, Kentucky. Today we're going to be walking around this 2018 GMC Terrain SLT. Let's take a look at it. It does have the 2.0 turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. It is in a Summit White. Just walk around here. Back. It is hands-free with the remote. Plenty of cargo space back here. These fold down. Here to the driver's side. You have leather, heated seats. Take a look here. Heated. You have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You have backup camera, and it is nice and clear. You have dual AC, cruise control, Bluetooth, cluster up here. This vehicle does have 13,579 miles. It's a 2018, so it does have factory warranty left. Back seat here. And it does have a nice, plenty of room for legs. So again, this is at Country Chevrolet in Benton, Kentucky. My name is Corey Jernigan. You can reach us at our Facebook page, Instagram, Twitter. This video will be on YouTube. And again, you can reach me at 270-703-8633. 270-703-8633.